Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2024 Bobcat E35R2 series mini rubber track excavator. This excavator is in very, very nice condition. There's 287 original hours. We did a complete and full service at 281 hours on it. We did use it here a few hours on a little project we were doing. This is an open cab machine. It is a long arm. It does have a factory 24-inch tooth bucket with it. It's like new that come with the machine. It is single pin exchange. Does have the brand new Showtime manufacturing hydraulic thumb on it. See those guys, check out them, give Chad a call, he'll fix you up. Again, very nice, very clean machine. We're gonna start here underneath the hood, take it completely around. Underneath the hood, it's gonna be powered by a Kubota D1703. 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Again, at 281 hours, MSC is written on all the filters. It stands for Mark Supply Company. We did change everything through it, just like we normally do here. Again, extremely clean. Right there's gonna be your fuse panel control valve. Nothing's broke inside of here at the car body door or side access door. Up front, Landon will show you coming around this side. Everything is straight, not ding-dented, smashed. Rear engine hood, beautiful, clean. Counterweight, beautiful. Locking fuel cap. We did both hubs. The only thing that was touched up was the face of the blade there. It was scratched up, obviously, being used a few hours. But other than that, like new. Again, all the other paint's original. Cylinder guard's in very nice shape. It's not smashed, dinged, or bent. They generally are. Boom is very nice and straight. Machine never had a thumb on it. There again, we went ahead, bought a brand new quality thumb and put on from Showtime. 24-inch bucket. Again, this is a long arm, extra reach as they call it. Something pretty cool here you hardly ever see. Right here is the actual packing list for the sub-assembly from Bobcat for the long arm. That usually is always gone. Up here, you're gonna have your pattern changer on your ROPS. Underneath the seat here, you will have just a storage compartment for some teeth and things. I do believe the owner's manual to this is in the office, correct, Landon? Mm-hmm. That's all I get, so Serial number close up. We'll head up here, you can see seat's in very nice shape. Oh, 287.4 hours. Volts, service clock, no error codes. You got your headlights, auto idle. You got your auxiliary hydraulics like here for your thumb. 2-speed travels up here, which with your armrest down you'll see. Again, very, very nice machine. Here you go, Landon. You're gonna have your thumb operation over here on this joystick, then your swing boom will be on this joystick up here on the top. Again, guys, like new excavator here, we're going to fire it up, run around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, E35, this is going to be a 7,500-pound machine. They call it an 8,000-pound class. 2-speed. Something I always do with a mini excavator, show people. As long as it pulls under its own power like that, it shows you finals are good. So there we're tracking in 2-speed. And swinging. Flip my feet pedal down here. Machine is very smooth. Again, it is a long arm, and I really like that feature. Nice feature to have. Nice thing of that Showtime thumb, it lines up very nice with your bucket. So there's your swing boom. See the machine picks itself up, no questions asked. Guys, you're looking for a very nice, tight, 287-hour machine. There's a machine to take a look at, guys. Nice stuff right now in today's market. It's pretty hard to come by. We're struggling to come up with nice, clean stuff, and it is a struggle. I don't care what anybody says. Nice used equipment right now is selling, but the problem is when that stuff is selling, it's also very, very hard to find. And anybody tells you anything different, they're full of it. Just being honest with you. You can really see here how that little bit of extra reach really does help with that, being a long one. All the lights work. You can see there. Auto idle works. As soon as we break that, it'll go back. Lights. Well, guys, there it is. Very, very nice. 2024 Bobcat E35R2 series. Single pin exchange, brand new thumb. Guys, machine's 100% ready to go to work. Very low hour machine. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Always have a great day.